Assalamu alaikum guys, welcome to Tutism Views. Today we will talking about types of chemical reaction. So now there is 5 type of reactions we are going to study. Number first is combination reaction, second is decomposition reaction, third displacement reaction, fourth double displacement reaction, number 5 is redox reaction. So combination reaction is when two reactants combine to form a product. It is called a combination reaction. Calcium oxide react with the water to produce like lime calcium hydroxide, releasing a large number of heat. CaO plus H2O is to form to CaOH2. Calcium hydroxide reacts slowly with the carbon dioxide in air to form a thin layer of calcium carbonate on the walls. So calcium carbonate is formed after 2 or 3 days of whitewashing and give a shiny finish to the wall. It is interesting to note that the chemical formula of marble is CaCO3. So reaction in which heat is released along with the formation of product are called exothermic reaction and burning of natural gas. The decomposition of vegetable matter into compost are also an example of exothermic reaction. So these two type of one of exothermic reaction and endothermic reaction. So now that is the exothermic reaction. The endothermic reaction are those reaction in which heat is absorbed during digestion. Food is broken down into similar substance. For example, rice, potatoes and bread contain carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are broken down to form glucose. These glucose combine with the oxygen to cell of our body and provide energy. This is endothermic reaction too. So now the decomposition reaction, when a product break up into its constituent reactant, the reaction is termed as decomposition reaction. So this is the chemical reaction. You can see that in this reaction you can absorb that a single reactant break down to give similar product. Just because of heat, this decomposition reaction, ferrous sulfate crystal lose water when heat and the color of crystal change. It then decomposes to ferric oxide, sulfur oxide and sulfur trioxide. Ferric oxide is a solid while SO2 and SO3 are gases. Decomposition of calcium carbonate to calcium oxide and carbon dioxide on heating is an important decomposition reaction used in various industries. Calcium oxide is called lime or quick lime. It has many uses. One of the manufacturing of cement, when a decomposition of reaction is carried out by heating, it is called thermal decomposition. So electrolytic decomposition, take a plastic mug, drill 2 holes and base and fit rubber stopper in these holders like this. Insert carbon electrode in these rubber stoppers. Connect these electrode to 6 volt battery. Fill the mug with water such that the electrode are emerged. Add the few drop of dilute sulfur acid to the water. Take 2 tubes filled with water and invert them over the 2 carbon electrodes. Switch the current and leave apparatus undisturbed for some time. You will observe that formation of bubble are both electrode. These bubble displace water in the rest tube. We will see hydrogen at the cathode and oxygen at the anode. Oxygen is double and hydrogen in the term of volume. So number second is photolysis, thermal decomposition. Halogen composition decompose on exposure to sunrise. Photolytic reaction are used in black and white photography. The decomposition reaction requires energy either in the form of heat, light, electricity for breaking down the reactant. Reaction in which energy is absorbed or broken is endothermic reaction. So displacement reaction with the element displace another element from its respective compound of low respectively. It is said to be displacement reaction. Example of displacement reaction, you can pause the video and see this. Double displacement reaction in which there is an exchange the ion between the reactant and called double displacement reaction. These reactions are called precipitation reaction, as insoluble substance is formed which is known as precipitate. Any reaction that produce a precipitate can be called a precipitation reaction. You can see the double displacement reaction. Oxidation and reduction or redox reaction. If a substance gain oxygen during a reaction, it's said to be oxidized. If a substance lose oxygen during a reaction, it's said to be redox. So if one reactant get oxide while the other gas reduced during the reaction, such a reaction are called oxidation reduction reaction or redox reaction. If a substance gain oxygen or loss hydrogen during a reaction, it is oxidized. If a substance loses oxygen and gain hydrogen during a reaction, it is redox. So thanks for watching, and please subscribe our channel, click on the bell icon so that our more video can be reach you first. Don't forget like, share and comment, and fi aman Allah.